Hello, my name is Dietrich Schmidt and I'm from the Fraunhofer Institute for Energy Economics and Energy System Technology, and I'm quite happy here to present the talk about digitalization of district heating, transforming heat networks for a sustainable future. I'm quite sure we all believe that our future energy system will be much more digital. So that's one reason why an international collaboration project has been started. So this international collaboration activity ran in the frame of the International Energy Agency within the Technology Collaboration Program on District Heating and Cooling. And it's named DHC Annex TS4 on the digitalization of district heating and cooling, with a subtopic about optimized operation and maintenance of district heating and cooling systems via digital process management. Experts from many countries participated here, but experts from Austria, Belgium, Canada, China, Denmark, France, Germany, Norway, South Korea, Sweden, and from the UK. So in total, about 63 experts participated here in the discussion. And this project has been closed in November last year. So the aim of the project was to create awareness of the advantages for the implementation of digital processes to the various stakeholders and users of the energy systems. Second, we wanted to provide a state-of-the-art overview of the digitalization of district heating schemes in terms of research and development projects, of demonstrators and case studies. Third, we wanted also to evaluate non-technical barriers and enablers for the digitalization processes in district heating and cooling schemes, especially such as business models, legal aspects and policy instruments. So we shared our work in different subtopics and we had different focus areas, and I want to briefly describe and give you an overview of what has been done during the project. So the first focus area is the digitalization of the demand side. Everything starts with the buildings and with the energy use in the energy system. So we had a special focus on the demand side. So we wanted to use improved control of the heating system with a focus on lowering temperature, especially return and supply temperatures, and to reduce peak loads. So we found out that last potential are there, as the actual heat demand is much lower than the designed load. And from these findings and from these works, we also want to create a strategy for developing building service packages. We wanted to define potentials, stimulate the use of all radiators in dwellings and in buildings, which is not always the case. We use data mining to identify anomalies in the space heating operation, and we wanted to use troubleshooting methods and improved hydraulic balances for the buildings to improve the entire system. The second focus area is the digitalization to link the entire supply chain. So the system perspective, everything together. So we have two different focus points here. One is the operational optimization. It's a control system. It's directly online. It's an active intervention with the network. So it's real intervention for directly in the operation of the network. The second focus area is on the analytics. It's a diagnosis system. It's offline. It's not an active intervention in the direct operation, but these analyses could be used to optimize, for example, system parameters and to work with the system and to optimize the network in this way. The third focus area is the digitalization of the energy infrastructure. Here we had a special emphasis on the use of digital twins. Digital twins could be used for various things. They can also have various possible use cases here, as the optimization of control and other operation. We used it for fault detection and diagnosis. Digital twins are used also for scenario evaluation and what-if analysis. They are used also for predictive maintenance and asset management. And last but not least, also for the visualization and virtualization of the system. Another focus area is the work with the business models, unlocking the value of digitalization. Here the core issues are to examine the cost drivers and to qualify the economic potential for improvement based on the digitalization. So where is the money? Collect thoughts and ideas for new potential business models. So how can we earn money and how to make these things reliable and possible in the markets. And new business models that put the demand responses, the thermal storage capacity in buildings into play had also been regarded. So a little bit outside the box thinking for the implementation of digital processes in buildings and in district heating schemes. So digital technologies are believed to make our whole energy system smarter, more efficient, reliable, and to boost the efficiency and the integration of more renewables into the system. So there are many, many advantages for establishing digital technologies in the operation of district heating systems. So the key findings from our projects are: optimized district heating systems are required for decarbonization, especially for the decarbonization of our thermal energy systems. And not only district heating systems are needed, they need to work also efficiently and optimized. That's one reason why we worked on this system. The increased complexity must be managed efficiently. So by integrating more and more different sources for heat and waste heat sources, and also to integrate the users and so on, it's adding much more complexity to the system operation, and these complexity need to be managed. Maximum performance is obtained when the full value chain is considered. So not only do digitalization on certain processes, so you get the full performance and the full payback of the system if you really check out how the different processes are connected and interconnected and how they belong together. So legal requirements and laws must be observed. I think that's it's safe saying. Some level of standardization within the digitalization would be good for a larger implementation of digitalization processes, so to make it more easy and faster. And we need to advance as quickly as possible. So not to wait on better technologies or whatever, just start. Early adopters have shown that there is a good market here in the digitalization of district heating. So the conclusion from our work is: digitalization of district heating and cooling system is an essential technology for the decarbonizing of the thermal energy system. And with growing complexity or the demand for system flexibility and the green renewable heat supply, it is just vital, it's needed. So if you want to know more, please consider or check out our guidebook of the digitalization of district heating systems. It's available online, so get your free copy here directly from this QR code. That's the final report of the Annex TS4. And I'm quite happy to answer questions if you have via email, or just try to contact me as you like. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.